sample. I'm just going to get water first and then come and assemble distilled water. We've got a distillation tank that feeds all our taps in the lab. So we're going to assemble this quickly. If I can get them loose. Oh, melted. I'm just quickly going to the extraction. Sticky. And you have to just bunk it in there for a while. I know the video said that it has to be in there for 15 minutes. Or an hour and a half.
In the bath.
In the bath. 15 minutes just to acclimatize to everything. And then afterwards you place your ball bearings on it. See, there's some air bubbles coming out. Okay, we're just going to leave them to stand for a short while, not for the full 15 minutes, because that's quite long. Right. The centering guides for these experiments are just little brass rings that have got holes on the side so that you have water coming through the sides as well to get in contact with your ball bearing, and it's got 3 prongs in the center of the ring so that it makes sure that the ball bearing actually sits perfectly in the middle of your sample. Ball bearings, 9.5 millimeters diameter, 7.5 grams each. Top there. Put them back into the water. Thermometer in place. There we go. So before we start, we'll have to take a reading of the water temperature. Get that to acclimatize slightly so that we get the proper reading of the water temperature. And then we are going to need someone who's going to read the temperatures for us of the thermometer the whole time. And we need one person to do that so that we have the same parallax error if there is one throughout. So someone with good eyes can do that for us. We can have 2 people doing it just to verify the readings as well. Just so that we don't get a situation where they misread the value. Which is then your 0-minute reading. 20.
Only one person.
It's obviously close to boiling point. So.
I don't think it's that many of them.
Note to self, not close to boiling point.
Closer to room temperature, 19 degrees.
19 degrees.
Okay, so on your sheet that you have for the softening point test, I think that's the last page in your handout that I've given you. Right at the 0-minute block, you're right there. That's penetration test. Okay, so the second to large page, page 14. Yeah. At 0, you are going to then write in on both sides, you're going to write 19 degrees Celsius. Because both ball bearings are in the same temperature at this stage. Yeah. Okay, nothing is happening yet. No smoke is coming up. That's a good sign. Okay, so then we have to heat it up, trying to maintain a temperature increase of between 4.5 and 5.5 degrees per minute. I think it is set at this stage so that we can in fact get that. Someone just get a stopwatch for us, please.
Ready?
Is it ready? Okay, so we can start. Just tell us when 1 minute has passed so we can take a temperature reading.
Yeah.
1 minute reading 20.
Yeah. Yeah, still on both sides. The only place where you're going to have two different readings is when your ball bearings actually touch your bottom plate. Because they will slightly differ. There won't be 100% even. The one will be higher than that.
You can take a reading.
26.
So our rate of increase is slightly higher than it should be, but yeah, between 4.5 and 5.5. This is 6, so it's not too high, but it's not within the range that it should be. That's close enough. 40 degrees plus or minus thereabouts.
Right, you can take a reading.
32.
32.
Remain constant.
At what temperature? 40 degrees.
About 40, yeah. They should start going through at about 4. We also just need someone, when they start sagging through, just to check as soon as they touch, so that we can take the reading as well. Which will probably be quite soon. These don't bump.
That very touch.
No, they must touch at the bottom.
You're looking through one angle, like sideways.
They must touch on this bottom stop plate.
Okay, my bad. I thought the ball bearings on the inside.
No, they are on top of the bitumen from the beginning.
Okay, you can take a reading.
Okay, it's 38. Just over 38.
Surprise again.
About 60. Don't bump the table too much, maybe some bits.
Just maar
Yeah,
bewe.
they go. Away.
Oh, they're starting to.
Use my photos ever, we'll do the same thing. Gosh.
Jy wil hom nou op YouTube hê.
Second to second.
Yeah.
It's like a
There we
race.
go. There we go. Ball's actually going to fall through.
Just so when he touches.
Do it.
Hy moet nou vinnig, sal ek van die volgende
We
reading
still
is
have
op
15 seconds until the next one.
44.
44.
No, the one is touching at 40.
The next one is about to touch.
That is 45.
45.
Yeah.
Okay, luckily we're within the range of 1 degree between the two ball bearings,
As weer.
so we don't have to redo the test.
Exactly 5 minutes.
And that was exactly 5 minutes. Yeah, just short of 5 minutes.
4:59.